everyone. Today we're going to be talking about Fischer projections, and we're going to be doing this by going through some examples. So when I draw out Fischer projections, I like to draw what I call kind of a fence post. So everything on the bottom side of the molecule, we're going to flip up, and those stereochems are going to change. So the Cl is going to change from a wedge to a dash, and the OH vice versa. The Br is going to stay a dash since it's on the top. And then what I like to do is we're looking over the molecule, so I draw a little person to kind of give me a better idea of what our frame of reference is going to be. So based on where he's looking, our OH and Cl are going to be near the top of the molecule that we draw for the Fischer projection, and the solo Br is going to be near the bottom. And don't forget we still have CH3 groups on the end. So then what we can do, we know that the OH, since it's a wedge, is going to be sticking out at us. So based on where he's looking, it's going to be on our right side since we're looking over the molecule. And then the dashes, the Cl and the Br, since they're going into the page and we're looking from that direction, it's going to look like they're going to be on our left side. So that is what our molecule is going to look like. And then if we look on the other way, this is what our molecule is going to look like, and just a side by side, they're the same. And a little more complex molecule here, so we do the same thing. Everything on the bottom is flipped up. So the ones on the top stay the same stereochemistry, and then the Br changes from a wedge to a dash, and the OH changes from a dash to a wedge. So this is a much easier way to kind of be able to look over the molecule and see what side everything's going to be on. And then in this case, I'm looking from this angle to where the CH3 group is going to be on the top of our frame of vision, as I'm writing there, and then the ethyl group is going to be on the bottom of our frame of vision. So now when we look at the molecule, since the dashes are going into the board and we're looking over the molecule, we can see that the dashes are now going to be on the right side of the little man's frame of vision, and then everything that's wedged is going to be on the left. So hopefully this helps you kind of tackle these, and thank you for watching.